Did you know that you can change your Google Chat business avatar? This is going to enhance your business's online presence with customizable profile images for Google Business Profile Chat. Let's talk about the benefits. First of all, this is really going to enhance your branding. This is going to tailor your Google Business Profile Chat with your own branded images. It's also going to improve visibility. You're going to stand out from competitors by presenting a polished and unique profile image. It's also going to help you streamline communication because it's going to personalize the client experience and streamline your communication process. Let's talk about practical use. So as a small business owner, you can now customize your Google Business Profile Chat image with your logo, ensuring that customers recognize your brand immediately. When reaching out for orders or inquiries, this is going to foster trust and loyalty. Let me show you exactly where that's located. First, you're going to access settings in your lower left-hand menu. From there, I'm going to have you go to integrations, also in the lower left-hand settings menu, and go ahead into the little Google icon area, which is for Google, and go to change settings. This is a super easy update. You're going to simply go to your profile picture and you're going to choose a new profile picture. Let me give you a little bit of a tip. Make sure that is a square image so that it actually does not morph into some odd shaped creature. So keep that square, go ahead and select that. It could be your photo, it could be your logo, it could be a product from your business, and go ahead and choose that and hit save. Now, when you are in your Google Business Chat, you're going to see that when you access the chat icon. Now you'll be able to view your changed profile picture. When you customize your Google Business Profile Chat image, you not only enhance your brand's visibility, but you also streamline communication and you're building a stronger connection, ultimately driving business growth and success. Everything that we can do on our Google Business Profile is going to help our business get noticed, and that's why I love this feature. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.